Nagsugod na ang face-to-face classes sa Lyceum Philippines University-Davao campus sugod karong adlawa Agosto 15, 2022 human ang kapindua ka tuig nga pandemya. Istiktong gina-check ang mga estudyante una kini makasulod sa campus sa LPU. Naghimog orientation ang eskwelahan sa mga estudyante sulod sa ilang gym. Bisan sa kataas sa pila, wala kini nila panumbalinga, sanglit tanan sila excited na makabalik og physical nga pagtuon. Nalipay ang mga estudyante nga in person na gyud ang ilang klase karong tuiga. Sama na lang nining multimedia arts ug Bachelor of Forensic Science nga mga first year students. Sumala sa mga estudyante, lahi ra gyud ang face-to-face classes kung itandi sa online classes, sanglit mas mabuhat nila sa aktwal at tubangan sa ilang mga teachers ang ilang mga aktibidad.
Quite overwhelming since we get to see a lot of students here, especially new faces, and of course this is also a great opportunity to benchmark excellence, especially the learning opportunities that the LPU-Davao can offer.
Actually, I'm pretty ecstatic and of course I'm a bit emotional since I have not seen this many people for about 2 to 3 years, I guess, and being in campus for a very long time has been very overwhelming for me, yet very fulfilling rather. I get to see my friends, online faces became physical faces already, so it's a very heartwarming experience for me.
Excited og nalipay sab sa unang adlaw sa balik face-to-face ang Junior College Coordinator nga si Ari J. Castro, sanglit mahimamat na niya in person ang iyang mga estudyante.
Hi, I'm very happy to see my students the first day of class here at LPU-Davao, especially in the junior college. Actually, it's very overwhelming. For the past 2 years or 3, we were actually in online classes and we didn't have this opportunity to mingle with them fully. But right now, they're here. We can mingle with them, we can talk to them, we can build connection with them. At the same time, we can conduct all of our activities face-to-face. So we are very happy to see 300 plus students in the junior college, and we're very excited to build connections with them and to really apply student empowerment, especially in the junior college.
I'd like to thank our students for coming early this morning and having the flag ceremony, and we would like to welcome you all to the new calendar year. Welcome to LPU-Davao and enjoy your stay.
It will be a hybrid model.
Una nang gipahibalo ni LPU President Peter Laurel nga bisan pa man nga duna na sila'y face-to-face classes, duna gihapon sila'y online classes sa pipila ka kurso kay hybrid ang ilang sistema. Mas midaghan karon ng estudyante sa LPU kay matud ni Laurel, daghang taga Mindanao ang nakauyon sa ilang mga kurso nga sagad sa Manila lang makuha. Kumpleto ang LPU ug mga modernong pasilidad alang sa ilang mga estudyante. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Davao Region. Stay safe.